Coming up to lap some traffic.
John just trying to stay out of trouble.
Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. We're at Ottawa On-Road RC Racing, March 2nd, 2025. We're gonna go out for an A main of TTGT. I'm still holding first in points for the season, and I didn't do quite as well today. We've got a lot of fast TTGT drivers. I think I'm starting fourth in the A. TTGT. No changes to the chassis. Still running the Genzace hard case battery. Still running a 1060 speed control. Still running the stock silver cam brush motor, which I believe that motor's getting a little tired now. I'm significantly slower on the straightaway than some of the other racers, so I just got to do my best and try and hold my fast lines. Anyway, we're going out in the A main of TTGT next.
Talking up the track, if anybody's left.
Final race of the day, TTGT A main, starting in P3. Oh. Get that right in your field of view there, be perfect. Got to slow you down somehow.
Oh, your GoPro's in my way.
Is it really?
We're getting checked in and we get things started.
1 minute to the start of the race.
Oh, tires feel cold. I forgot. I should have sauced them. That happened the last time too. Once the sun goes down, the track gets colder. All right, straightaway's closed.
All right, James, Chris, John, Fred, Darcy.
30 seconds to the start of the race.
All right, I do think my motor is on its way out, but we'll see if we can keep up with these first two. Oh, I lost a position. Off the go. Oh, got it back. Oh, no.
If you raced your last race, you should still be marshalling. This is the A. If you raced the B, you should be here. Thank you. James is very comfortably out front. Followed by Chris, Darcy, John, and Fred.
Whoa, I pushed way wide there. Man, the track is really cooled off.
After 1 minute 5 seconds, the top drivers are James in first place with a 30-lap 508.5 pace, followed by Chris in second place with a 29-lap 507.6 pace, followed by Darcy in third place with a 28-lap 503.4 pace, followed by John K in fourth place with a 28-lap 509.2 pace.
Try and pass this BMW.
In fifth place with a 27-lap 504.7 pace.
There we go. There it is. Oh, that was a crunchy noise.
Happening in the infield.
2 minutes 11 seconds.
Fred
The top drivers are James in first place with a 30-lap 506.5 pace, followed by Chris in second place with a 29-lap 503.2 pace, followed by John K in third place with a 28-lap 504.7 pace, followed by Darcy in fourth place with a 28-lap 510.6 pace, followed by Fred in fifth place with a 28-lap 510.9 pace.
Battles happening all over the track. We got James up front and clear air. Chris now
Coming up to lap some traffic.
John just trying to stay out of trouble. In third position. Darcy up to fourth. Fred in fifth position. Darcy and Fred seem to be getting the elbows out every time they get close to each other.
After 3 minutes 16 seconds, the top drivers are Chris in first place with a 29 lap 505.4 pace, followed by James in second place.
Oh, more of that. I can see you guys now. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Are we all in the same lap? I don't think those guys passed me. Oh, yeah, I am. I'm right in this.
We have a three-way battle for the lead of this race right now. Chris up from the orange car. The second place car is James and now John catching those two. Chris through the infield in contact with the barrier. James a little bit off.
1 minute left.
1 minute.
John also catching up.
1 minute, and I can see them. Oh.
James to the inside gets past.
Well, sometimes third is the best place to be.
This was a small mistake. Now John is starting to catch Chris.
After 4 minutes 21 seconds, the top drivers are James in first place with a 29 lap 505.6 pace.
Oh, I'm faster through there. Significantly faster through there.
Followed by John K in third place with a 29 lap 506.7 pace. Followed by Darcy in fourth place with a 27 lap 502.5 pace.
Whoa.
By Fred in fifth place with a 27 lap 503.9 pace.
This is a good battle.
Gonna be close for second.
Fred done.
Ah!
James done.
No room.
Well
Well done, guys. Well done.
done.
Nice. All right. That was great. Good racing, guys.
Crazy entries.
All right.
I was like, he broke, and then I was like, oh, never mind.
You wanted to make it exciting? Yeah, I appreciate making it exciting, guys. That was it. Thanks for letting me catch up.
And then, he let
And then I was hanging with you on the straight, so my car's not as slow as I thought it was. That was a fun little TTGT main. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Good job on blocking. You left me no room to get by.
I know, I was holding.
Yeah, you were covering all those apexes, that's for sure. I was tucking in as tight as I could, trying to keep my momentum up.